Yo, you guys, so today we're gonna have a look at something that's a little weird maybe, but still I'm a fan of these, so why not just share that? It is for your bathroom, for your toilet. It is a seat where the cover is returning to the bottom automatically, so it's not falling just straight down and crashing in there. It will actually go smoothly down there. For installation, that was pretty straightforward. Just screw that in. It will just hold it in place. Nice and steady. Nothing to complain here. Took me maybe like 15 minutes to remove and put the new one on there. So that was kind of straightforward, as I said. And besides that, this is what it looks like. It's not really a big brand here on that part. I've got to say that. If that's something you want, you could definitely check that out. There's a bunch. And this is what it looks like. So it goes down pretty slowly by itself. Nothing to worry about here. And just makes life easier because you can just, yeah, close it without doing extra, well, extra work or whatever. So anyway, yeah, that's it, you guys. My name is Badger. I will see you around until the next one, and I'm out. So, bye bye.